Hi, Linda Goodall here. Let's talk about thread for embroidery. You'll need a different kind of thread for embroidery. With the sewing, we have a twisted, stronger thread, and for embroidery, we use a thread that's kind of less twisted, not quite as strong, so they do tend to break easily if you just kind of stretch them in your hands, but don't worry about that. They're for embellishment, they're not for construction. So the most popular thread weight is 40 weight, and you'll see that that's the most widely available thread colors out there, and polyester is probably the primary fiber type that we'll use these days. So I like to arrange my threads on a thread stand, and you can see once again I have another gadget in my sewing room, and you can see too that I have all different kinds of spools on here. I've been embroidering for over 20 years, so I have quite an extensive thread stash. So this is helpful to keep all of my threads lined up, and I don't have to worry about what kind of spool cap I'm going to put on the top. Now my favorite brand today is this Hemingworth, and you can see it, and it's got this kind of little case over it. It's almost like a little bell jar, and it has a cap on the top. So all you do is take the cap off, and you'll pull your thread out and put it on your machine, and when you're done, you put the cap back on. These are really cat-proof. So it keeps your fingers and dust and all kinds of other dirt from collecting on the thread. And you will have to take this plastic thing off to get it started, but once you start it, then it keeps your thread clean and prevents it from being tangled. Now, when you're getting started, you may wonder, okay, what colors do I need? Well, you should just splurge and get a big bundle. And Hemingworth comes with a really nice range of colors, and I also recommend that you get a thread chart, a real thread chart, not just a printed one, because you'll want to see what the threads actually look like. And the nice thing about this one is that the threads are right on the edge, so you can match them up against your fabric and see if it's going to work. So yeah, thread gets kind of expensive to start with, but how would you embroider without it? It's our medium. So you want to invest in a good brand of thread, one that's not going to fade, one that's not going to bleed when you wash it. This is polyester thread, it's colorfast, it's bleach resistant, and you can put it on things that'll be out in the sun, it won't fade. So start with a good range of thread and you'll be good to go.